Anna, and today I'm going to do my Young Living unboxing for the month of March 2018. I almost said 17. So let's get started. Today, this order is a big one. So it's going to take us some time. Shabbat, you can come in and watch me. Oh, don't want to throw that. Let's see. This order, I have a lot of oils and a really big box. So this is very heavy box. So let me open my tube of oils. Okay, and that was frankincense that dropped on the floor. But yes, frankincense vitality. If you've heard of frankincense, this is what baby Jesus needed, or this is what baby Jesus was given for his birth. Vitality means that you can ingest it. You can put it in a capsule, you can put it in a tea, you can cook with it. I'm going to be using this in the one of the other things that I ordered today that I'll show you. I love frankincense. This one is Northern Lights Black Spruce, and this oil is amazing. I love tree smells, and you've heard of Northern Lights. Beautiful phenomenon that happens in Canada. You can see it in some parts of US, but it's the trees that are in that part of Canada that they bottled and put into this magical little bottle, and I love it. It smells so good. Let me smell frankincense while I'm at it. If you've never smelled frankincense, the real frankincense, you have to. You have to. It smells so good. And you almost feel like you're connected to that part of the world. Those were the two oils. Those were the two oils that I got. And sorry, I'm just bending over to get stuff out. When you order something and you don't remember what it is that you ordered, I'm having that moment right now. So let's see what else is in this thing. Doesn't want to come out. Okay, so apparently I ordered lavender. Forgot about that. Lavender is an amazing oil to have in your arsenal of oils. Lavender is my go-to oil for everything. It smells amazing. The lavender vitality, you can make a lavender tea and honey. It's amazing. I love lavender. I put this on my kids' feet a little bit before bedtime, out like a light. Works wonders. And then my free oil, I placed 100 PV, a little over 100 PV, and I got a lemon vitality for free. I don't know if there we go. Lemon vitality for free. With lemon, it's good to drink. It helps detoxify your body, detoxify your liver. It's good to clean with. It's good to cook with. It's good to diffuse, to wake you up and give you that jolt of freshness that you need. freshness. And then my Cadillac of orders today, Ningxia Red. So Ningxia Red it's a drink. It's wolfberry puree in China, and YoungLiving recognized its benefits and closed the market on that and own the rights to Ningxia Red drink. So they puree it with other beneficial ingredients and drink about an ounce or two a day, a little bit more if you're feeling below the wellness line. And here, let me show you what it looks like. Oh gosh, this box is hard to open. I'm fighting with tape, and tape is winning. Okay. So I ordered 2 bottles. You can order more. They have an option where you can order 4 bottles, or you can order 4 bottles and a small pack of 30, like a 30-day supply. I don't think I need that much, so just 2 bottles works. I'm almost done. I'll have it out by the end of the video. Okay. Sorry about that. But this is what it looks like. Ningxia Red. And it has blueberry, plum, sweet cherry, pomegranate. Just amazing stuff that's good for you. It has essential oils in it. It has, it's all around here, orange, citrus, lemon, just good stuff that your body needs, and so good, so good. So I do this with this powerhouse. And I love the taste of frankincense in this. It's amazing. And some days I'll do this and this, and it tastes like a Skittle. No lie. But yeah, and that is my order for the month of March 2018. Pray that I figure out what year I'm in, and if you have any questions, comments, or concerns, if you have an idea of a video that you would like for me to see, if you want to join my crazy oil team, we're not crazy, my loving oil team, comment below and I'll send you some info. Just like that, kitty cat. Love you guys. Thanks for watching. Bye.